The clutch side first.
3, 2.
Okay, I'm good.
Okay, funny. 3, 2, 1, good.
Welcome back to the CSC Garage as we continue our ultimate TT250 Enduro build. In today's episode, we're going to be installing some hand protection. This is one of the simplest ways to install brush guards on your TT. Let's get started. These hand guards are really easy to install and only take a few tools. We're going to use a Phillips screwdriver and a T20 Torx bit. This bit actually comes with the kit of hand guards, and it will fit inside of a 1/4-inch socket if you happen to have one, or if you just have your own T20 Torx bit, you can use that. First thing I want to do is go ahead and put the guards onto their mounts. You've got 3 holes. We're going to end up putting these on these 2 outer holes. This outer and this inner hole. And we're going to do that using the Phillips screw and also this little bar. I'm going to leave a little bit of play in that so I can line up the second screw. And we're just screwing that into the plastic, so you don't want to over tighten. Just get it good and firm and stop there, otherwise you'll strip it out. So now we have that assembled. This pivot point is adjustable. It's going to require an 8mm wrench if you want to move that up or down, but that's something that we would do after it's already installed on the bar. You can see just how easy the clamp is to put together, and then we'll use those Torx head screws to hold it to the bar. And now we're ready to mount on the motorcycle handlebar. I'm going to install the clutch side first, and you can see this is just going to go under. Just have to find a way to channel it through there. And I'm gonna go back and forth as I tighten these down. Same thing, you're biting into that plastic, so you don't wanna overdo it and strip things out. Just get it up nice and firm. And make sure your lever clears. Now, as you can see, the one thing with these is you've got a nice protection over your hand, but you're not really protecting the bar end like that. We do have another set of guards that we're going to show you how to install if you're more concerned about protecting the bar end, protecting your lever as well. But this is a nice simple way to get some coverage over your hand, just to protect your hand from any brush, and it gives it a nice aggressive look to the motorcycle. And now we're ready for the throttle side. On this one, I'm gonna put the mount over the throttle cable and over the wire, but under the master cylinder for the front brake. And kind of feed that in. Thanks for joining us once again at the CSC Garage as we continue building the ultimate TT250 Enduro. It was fun showing you just how simple and easy it is to install some brush guards for your hand protection. These are great because they deflect any kind of debris that's coming at your hands. They block them from the wind. If you need some stronger brush guards, we have these, and we're going to show you these in another episode, how to install these bar ends and the guards, which will not only protect your hands, but also your levers as well. We look forward to seeing you next time, so be sure to tune in, and as always, enjoy the ride.